Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Your Name, and I'm going to show you how I make $100 every single day on Pinterest with no experience. Pinterest is a social media platform that allows users to create and share visual bookmarks, called pins. These pins can be about anything, from recipes to fashion to home decor. There are a few different ways to make money on Pinterest. One way is to promote affiliate products. This means that you will earn a commission for every sale that you generate. Another way to make money on Pinterest is to create and sell your own products. This could be anything from digital downloads to physical products. Finally, you can also make money on Pinterest by running ads. This is a more passive way to make money, but it can also be more profitable. How to promote affiliate products on Pinterest. To promote affiliate products on Pinterest, you first need to find products that you want to promote. You can do this by searching for products on affiliate networks like Amazon Associates or ShareASale. Once you've found some products that you want to promote, you need to create pins that feature those products. Your pins should be visually appealing and informative. They should also include a call to action, such as, "Click here to learn more," or "Shop now." When you create your pins, be sure to use relevant keywords. This will help people find your pins when they're searching for products on Pinterest. You can also use Pinterest boards to organize your pins. This will make it easier for people to find the pins that they're interested in. How to create and sell your own products on Pinterest. If you want to create and sell your own products on Pinterest, you first need to come up with a product idea. Once you have a product idea, you need to create a prototype. Once you have a prototype, you need to test it out with potential customers. This will help you to make sure that there is a demand for your product. If you're satisfied with the results of your testing, you can then start selling your product on Pinterest. You can do this by creating a shop on your Pinterest profile. How to run ads on Pinterest. To run ads on Pinterest, you first need to create a Pinterest business account. Once you have a business account, you can create and manage your ads. When you're creating your ads, you need to choose your target audience. You can target people by age, gender, interests, and location. You also need to choose your budget and bidding strategy. Your budget is the amount of money that you're willing to spend on your ads. Your bidding strategy determines how much you're willing to pay per click. These are just a few of the ways that you can make money on Pinterest. If you're willing to put in the work, you can definitely make a significant amount of money from this platform. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pinterest today to make some extra money. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has inspired you to start making money on Pinterest. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips on how to make money online.